Hi, I'm Zach Conley,
And I'm Jody Emmons.
and this is Cresa Client Conversations, and today we're sitting with Challen from SI Group. Tell us a little bit about SI Group.
SI Group is a manufacturer of additives, and so we create products that go into other products in a variety of industries and for a variety of different end uses. So from plastics to rubber, active pharmaceutical ingredients such as ibuprofen. We make lots of different materials that are then other companies' raw materials, but that are processed ultimately and reaching the consumers.
And you guys have been in Schenectady for, as long as I know, maybe forever, I don't know.
So for as long as we've been a company, since 1906, we have had a presence in Schenectady.
It's interesting because when we were working with you to help you find this new office, this new location, and we brought other options to the mix in Albany, in Rensselaer, in other areas, and it was, nope, absolutely, we have to stay in Schenectady. And that's got to have some of that historical significance there.
Yeah, throughout our history, we've held various offices in different areas of Schenectady, and so, even on Congress Street. Obviously, we have our manufacturing facility in Rotterdam Junction as well. So over time, we've moved around within Schenectady, but have stayed, in Schenectady throughout our history.
So why the new office? Why now?
We were looking for an office that was the right size for our current workforce and offered the amenities that attracted world-class talent.
What didn't you have in the old location that you wanted in a new office?
We had a campus that was separated, and it was not easy to get two different places from our office. So, if you wanted to head out for lunch or pick up some dry cleaning or even, grab something from the grocery store, it was really hard to get in and out. And we didn't have the sense of community with neighbors and other businesses nearby. And quite frankly, it was a really large property, and our workforce now, we're looking at a hybrid work environment, and so we didn't need all of the space that we had.
You mentioned community earlier. Do you mean, is that culture for you at SI Group? Is that kind of what you meant by community? Or is it also the neighbors?
It's the neighbors too, right? It's to be able to find a place where, certainly community within your workplace is very important to us, and I think a big component of our culture, certainly caring about people feeling like they have a community in their workplace, but also looking outside and saying, okay, who are our neighbors, who lives around us, and having the opportunity to, walk down the street or the patio, whatever it might be, and be able to go grab lunch and, connect with folks who live in the region.
Yeah, I would imagine Mohawk Harbor provides you with plenty of amenities, and also to your point of being a global industry and having people travel, you have the hotel right next door. You have restaurants, you have other amenities that can easily walk to. You have residences above. People can really live and work and play in Mohawk Harbor.
Yeah, exactly. Our employees who come to travel here, we just had a whole group of them here this week. It's so convenient for them to be able to stay right at the courtyard across the street. They can get dinner right here, and get coffee if they need it. So they have everything that they need, which really provides them a better experience when they're coming to travel as well, and not need to worry about how they're going to get around, where they're going to go. It's worked out really well.